This man knows that I love dumpling. I don't see one dumpling in here.
You should have never wake up.
You know? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, it's now 10:34. Food for Farrell sleeping, but she didn't really eat any dinner. So I'm about to go cook some dinner while she's sleeping. There's the time. So I think I'm gonna make some soup, but I'm gonna try to be very quiet. I'll give you a shot of her sleeping. Don't think she'll like it, but I'll be very quiet. I'm gonna try to cook this in like, say, 15, 20 minutes. Let's see how this works out. So here you can see we have a pumpkin. We got the diced pumpkins, carrots, scallions or green onions. That's the green plantain. We call this chocho in Jamaica. Here they call it coyote or something like that. But let's just say chocho, sweet potato. Radish. Good old Scotch bonnet pepper, something like habanero or ghost peppers. Jamaican style. Onion. And of course we have spinach, something like callaloo. If you know what callaloo is, but this is spinach. Yes, we put it with the soup. So we'll be back once we dice everything. More potency. She's up.
It was a long day.
Just in time, you know. Come finish cook the food. 2 seconds, we have like fillet fish right there. We're gonna put it in last because we don't want it to break apart. You just want it to steam, you know. We have our Scotch bonnet, we have our pumpkin noodle, we have our coconut milk. Oh yeah, get some thyme, you know. We'll be back. So here we go. Okay, my friends, we're at the end of the road. This is how I get stuff done. You don't want anything to lump up. So we're gonna mix them in a little warm water. That should do the trick.
So now we're just gonna add it right on top. Yes, sir. And then once we do that, we're gonna grab a little seasoning. We're gonna top it up. Right here, we have allspice. This is something called pimento seeds. It's a wild plant in Jamaica, but this plant is like every seasoning you need in one. So I add a few. I have coriander powder. I'll add a bit of that.
Because we live in the same household and we don't have any problem with any of the seasonings we use, I'll use the same spoon. But if I was in a kitchen or in a public place that I work, I wouldn't use the same spoon to sprinkle everything. Because people might be allergic to other stuff and you don't want to like mess with people. If I had people over, I'd use different spoons for different seasonings. That was cayenne, by the way. I should have said cayenne pepper. As you can see, I didn't add any salt because this already has salt. The seasoning already has salt. We might need a little salt later, but that's something to figure out. We don't do much salt in this house anyway. Here we have my favorite. I'm Jamaican, and I never really liked cumin. Now everything I use cumin. And what you see me use right here, cumin, I use turmeric, cayenne pepper, I use mustard powder, I use coriander. I don't use much seasoning with SMG or MSG and those stuff. Like, everything is natural. Like, I don't know. Like, this will have so much flavors, even though I use not much of anything in it except natural stuff. That's how it should be, you know? Too much of anything ain't good for you. So I try to keep it as simple as possible. I'm just gonna add it to it. Just let that melt in the pot. As I said, I would let you see how creamy this is. This is what it looks like. When you have that, you can't have anything else. You see the fillet? It's not breaking apart. That's what you want.
Hi guys, as you know, I was asleep and my dinner was being prepared, so now I'm gonna taste the pot and I'm gonna let you know if it's good. Mind you, everything that he makes is really, really good. So now you can see that it looks good. Looks very rich and thick and creamy. Guys, I'm not really a big fish fan, but I will taste the pot. I'll let you know how it tastes. It tastes good. It doesn't even taste that fishy either. Very rich and creamy. I think you put your foot in it, babe. It's really good.
I don't think she means my literal foot.
You have the carrots, you have the spinach, you can taste all the thyme and the potato. Even banana is in here. Plantain. Oh, that looks so nice and rich. Guys, this man knows that I love dumpling. I don't see one dumpling in here.
You should have never wake up.
You know? I should not. It tastes nice though.
I was trying to do it before you wake up.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
But you had to go and wake up before I finished cooking.
Ready? Thank you very much. It's really good. If you want some. If you want some. Bye.